The biggest thing aside from quote unquote being in business is actually the marketing of that business. So every single business owner should have a PhD in marketing, and not like literally a PhD, but should know how to market their business in a way where it's going to attract people. And that does include branding. I would say like that's like a subset of marketing, but we need to be able to know how to market our business because we have to get ourselves in the market. That's what marketers do. We get the business inside the market in places where people are already traveling and who are already looking for what that business has to offer. And so, as a marketer myself, and also having expertise in digital marketing, I'm always thinking about okay, so like, where's the traffic and how can I input myself in that traffic? It's the same thing about how when I'm doing these videos, or rather, these audio videos, I'm thinking about, okay, well, these are my expertise. This is what the market is. How can I make a Venn diagram of what's in the middle and be able to do that so that the market gets value and that I get value? And that's what an entrepreneur does. They're giving value in order to get back value, and the value that they're looking to get back is money. And that's what we should be looking for as it relates to being business owners. If you aren't the best marketer in the world, hire those people, but also know how to hire people that can do what you're trying to do. Um, so the best thing that I can say is have at least two marketing channels, no more than five. When I post these videos, I post them on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. Um, and that basically like helps me figure out what traffic I can get from where. So even though I just recently started this, I'm so proud of myself as it relates to being able to have some type of analytics. And so I can see, okay, well, this type of content is doing great. This type of content is not doing great. I also have to be aware of what the algorithm pushes because I'm not putting any money behind my videos. So I'm looking all for organic reach. And so that's a digital marketing lesson as it relates to like organic versus paid reach. But I'm seeing, okay, well, I'm actually like starting to get traction with my videos, and that's pretty cool. What do I need to do next in order to like increase the amount of data that I can get in order to best serve the market that I'm trying to enter, that I'm in rather? So, biggest thing, learn marketing. Above all, learn marketing. And number two, if it's difficult for you to learn marketing, hire the best people to do the marketing for you. This is Deshawn on Lead and Grow.